Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open a Wells Fargo bank account online. So let's get started. So now here we are on a Wells Fargo website. So it is wellsfargo.com. And then once you are here, you can apply for a bank account by navigating here under personal. You can go for the checking, savings, and CDs, and so on right here, depending on the kind of account that you would like to open. And you also have for small businesses right here, and commercial banking, corporate and investment banking right here, depending on what you would need here in Wells Fargo. In this tutorial, we'll just be using the personal one. And from here, we'll just be going with the savings account and click here on view all savings. And then from here, you would now be able to see all the savings account that is available here in Wells Fargo. You have the most popular one, the way to save savings, platinum savings, certificates of deposit savings. So depending on what you want. In my case, I'll just go for the way to save savings. And then from here, you would be able to see on who it is best for. So it would be best if you are saving as you spend with Save As You Go automatic transfers. And the monthly service fee is $5. So you can also learn how to avoid a fee. You can click on this link right here on each fee period and the overdraft services. So you have optional overdraft protection for your checking account. And then from here, you can click on agent ID requirements. And these are the requirements that you would need in order for you to be eligible for this account. So it is very important that you would have all of these requirements right here in order for you to get accepted in your application process. So once you're all good with this one, we can now proceed. So from here, you want to make sure also that you know that there is a $25 minimum opening deposit. Once you're good with that, you can now click here on open now. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for this one to finish loading right here. So let's just wait. And then here it is. So from here, the way to save savings starts here. So now you can now click here on let's go. And then from here, you would need to provide your SSN or ITIN and then your mobile number right here. So basically, you would be needing to provide all of the personal information that you have. So make sure that you have all of them right here. So anyways, we have already opened the eligibility and the requirements earlier. So once you have made sure that you have all of those requirements, then the process here in providing all of those requirements information right here should be seamless. So all you have to do is just provide the information that was from your requirements in your documents. So again, these are the requirements and informations that you would need to provide in the application process. So again, it's just this one right here. Just provide everything right here and it should be all good, no problem. It's not a complicated step. So just provide it. And then after that, your application will now be submitted for review. And once it's accepted, Wells Fargo will send you an instruction on how you can get your card or how you can set up your account and so on. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can open an account here in Wells Fargo. And remember that the requirements may vary depending on the kind of account that you are opening here on Wells Fargo. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.